Generate section. You go to the solid tab and here it is generate section in section panel. Select this generate section and you will get it like this window. The first one, select section plane. Click here and select the section plane. Now which view you want, 2D section or elevation or 3D section. You can select any one. I just select here 2D section and go to the create. Before create, if you click here you will get it a lot of options. You can, how you need that one, you can select here source, include all object, selected object to include, like that. All the options, very simple options. You can use this option also. Otherwise this is more than enough. Just create. Now you can see this view, it is created like this. Now I just, where you need to place, just click the place and it will ask you the scale factor. Just see in command line, you can see the scale is 1 default, you will get it, and you can give the more scale if you need. You can give the more scale. I just make it 1, so simply enter. Now again it will ask you why scale and uses X. You can, if X scale what we done, same scale if you want, you can simply enter, or you can give the value also, you can simply enter. Now it will ask you what is the rotation angle. Just simply enter, because it is 0 is acceptable, and if you need any other rotation angle you can give the angle. 0 is acceptable, so simply enter. Now you can see this object, 3D object, we got 2D sectional view. Just go to the home and if you go to the top view, you can see this is the sectional view. Now select this one. Actually this is if you go near to this one, actually it is a block reference. See here near to my cursor point, you can see block reference. If you select this one and X in your keyboard, enter, now it is exploded. Now it will work as normal 2D objects. See here, this is hatch. If you want to change the hatch, you can change the hatch and all the things. If you want any changes in this, you need to make any layers and you can make changes in this drawing. You can make changes and you can arrange this one inside layout, and you can print and you can use this one for your project purpose. So this is the way you can generate section in AutoCAD 3D.